Good morning, children. Hope all of you are safe. Dear children, welcome back to you in our GK class again. My dear children, I have sent the portion for our second unit test. Today we have GK class and we have already completed the portion what we have in our second unit test. So now it's time to revision. It's time for revision. Dear children, our second unit test is coming, so we have to keep ready for that test. Okay children, we have to get ready for the test. All this chapter again we are going to read. We are going to revise all the lesson again. So from the chapter 11 we will start today. Today we are going to revise the lesson 11 from our GK copy, GK book. Okay children, then open your takeouts, your English book and open page number 12, chapter number 11, and the name is kitchen. See? See this picture children? See all these things we get in our kitchen. All the things we will get in our kitchen. The chapter name is kitchen. So in our last class what I told you about kitchen. What is kitchen children? Yes, kitchen is a place where mummy cooks food for our family. Cook food for us and our family members. Yes or no children? Yes, our mummy cooks food for us. This is the place, and while cooking our mummy using so many things, and the things are called kitchen articles. Yes or no? And today we are going to learn, we are going to revise the names again. So listen carefully. Okay children, kitchen, Kitchen, kitchen. See your book. What is this? This is jug. What is this? This is a jug. Spoon, cup and saucer, bowl, pressure cooker, frying pan, gas cylinder, lighter. Again, jug, spoon, cup and saucer, bowl, pressure cooker, frying pan, lighter, gas cylinder. J-U-G, jug. Spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Cup and saucer, C-U-P, cup, A-N-D-N, S-A-U-C-E-R, saucer. Cup and saucer. Bowl, what is this children? Bowl, B-O-W-L, bowl. Pressure cooker, what is this? Pressure cooker, P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E, pressure, C-O-O-K-E-R, cooker. Pressure cooker, pressure cooker. See what is this picture? Frying pan. What is this children? Frying pan, F-R-Y-I-N-G, frying, P-A-N, pan, frying pan, frying pan. What is this? Gas cylinder. What is this children? Gas cylinder, G-A-S, gas, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder, gas cylinder. Lighter. What is this children? This is a lighter, L-I-G-H-T-E-R, lighter. L-I-G-H-T-E-R, lighter. Dear children, this is a jug and we used to keep water in it. Jug we used to keep water here. And this is spoon. Spoon is used to eat the food. If you want to eat some liquid food, then we have to eat in a spoon. We should use spoon while eating. And this is cup and saucer. Our elders, they are using cup and saucer to drink tea. This is bowl. This is also we used to while eating. We are keeping the table here and then we use it to eat. What is this, children? This is a pressure cooker. What is this? This is a pressure cooker and it cooks foods very fast. Yes or no, children? In pressure cooker we cook food very fast and we use this cook food vegetable and pulses. We use this to cook vegetables and pulses. It also make our food very tasty. Pressure cooker. And this is frying pan. What is this, children? Frying pan. This is frying pan. It is used to fry eatable. We fry the eatable things here. And this is, what is this? This is lighter. L-I-G-H-T-E-R, lighter. It is used to turn on the gas stove. Using this lighter, we turn on the gas stove and then we start our cooking. And this is gas cylinder. What is this, children? Gas cylinder. So these are the kitchen articles we learn from this chapter. So my dear children, again we have to read all this name. Let's start from this jug. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. Spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Cup and saucer. C-U-P, cup. A-N-D, and saucer. S-A-U-C-E-R, saucer. Cup and saucer. Bowl. B-O-W-L, bowl. B-O-W-L, bowl. This is pressure cooker. P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E, pressure. C-O-O-K-E-R, cooker. Pressure cooker. What is this, children? Frying pan. F-R-Y-I-N-G, frying. P-A-N, pan. Frying pan. This is lighter. What is this, children? Lighter. L-I-G-H-T-E-R, lighter. This is gas cylinder. What is this, children? Gas cylinder. G-A-S, gas. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Gas cylinder. Dear children, now I am going to take a taste of you about this chapter. Today only we revision it. Today only we revise this lesson. So here some taste for you. So listen carefully. Write the name of the picture. Here are some pictures are given here. We have to write the names for this picture. Okay children. See what is this picture? What is this picture children? This is a jug. What is this? This is a jug. What? Now can you tell me the spelling of jug? Yes, the spelling is J-U-G, jug. Again say J-U-G, J-U-G, jug. Then we will write it J U G, J-U-G, jug. Very good. J-U-G, jug. Now see what is this picture children? This is a picture of a spoon. Now can you tell me the spelling of the spoon? Yes, S-P-O-O-N, spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Now see what is this picture children? Yes, this is a picture of a bowl. What is this picture? This is a picture of a bowl. B-O-W-L, bowl. B-O-W-L, bowl. Now see this picture. What is this picture children? Frying pan. This is a picture of a frying pan. The spelling. What is the spelling of frying pan children? F-R-Y-I-N-G, frying, P-A-N, pan, frying pan. F-R-Y-I-N-G, frying pan. P-A-N, pan, frying pan. Now see what is the picture? Cylinder, gas cylinder. Yes or no children? Yes, this is a picture of a gas cylinder. Here we will write G-A-S, gas cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder, gas cylinder. Now see what is this picture? This is a picture of a lighter. What is this picture children? This is a picture of a lighter. We used to turn on the gas stove. We use it to turn on the gas stove. Now what is the spelling of the lighter? Can you tell me? Yes, lighter, L-I-G-H-T-E-R, lighter, L-I-G-H-T-E-R, lighter. Dear children, practice all these names of the things that we will get in our kitchen. So my dear children, in your GK copy you have to write all the names we have to draw these pictures. Dear parents, kindly help your child to draw these pictures and let them to write the name of this picture. Now, dear children, you have to by heart all the names. Some names we have written here. You have to by heart all the names what we have in our GK copy. Okay, children. Now, one more question is here. Here also, this is also from your kitchen chapter. Here we have to write the missing letters. But we will write here the missing letters. Here, fill in the blanks. J blanks G. What will be the correct answer? And what will be the letters will be here, children? What is the missing letter here? Yes, here U is not there. So we have to write U. J-U-G, jug. My dear children, see the next question here. S-O-O-N. What is the missing letter here, children? Can you guess what letter is missing here? Yes, my dear children. Here P will be here. The P letter is missing here. So what we will write? P. P. S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. Now see. Bowl. This word is bowl, but one letter is missing. What is the missing letter? Yes. Bowl. The spelling of bowl is B-O-W-L. B is here, W is here, L is here, but one letter is not here. What is that? O. B-O-W-L. Bowl. Okay. Now see. Lighter. This is lighter. L-G-H-T-E-R. Lighter. L. What will be the letter here? L-I. The missing letter is I. L-I-G-H-T-E-R. Lighter. Now see. What is this? Frying pan. Frying pan. Here missing letter is R. F-R-Y-I-N-G. Frying. P-A-N. Pan. Frying pan. Now we finish the question. Again read this. J-U-G, jug. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. B-O-W-L, bowl. L-I-G-H-T-E-R, lighter. F-R-Y-I-N-G, frying. P-A-N, pan, frying pan. Now next question. See, rearrange the letters. Here's what we have to do. Dear children, the letters are here and there. We have to write in proper order. Okay. U-Z-J. What will be the correct order? Jug. J-U-G, jug. We have to arrange the letter here. Then what letter will come? J. J-U-G. J-U-G, jug. The spelling of jug is J-U-G, jug. Now see, here are also, we have to arrange the letters B-W-O-L. And this is the spelling of a bowl, but here we have to arrange in proper order. So, what is the spelling of bowl, children? B-O-W-L. So, let's write B-O-W-L, bowl. B-O-W-L, bowl. Now see, this is S-O-O-P-N. This is the spelling of spoon, but the letters are here and there. So what is the correct spelling of spoon? Yes, S then P-O-O-N, spoon. S P-O-O-N, spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Okay children. Now see, this is lighter. We have to write the spelling of lighter here. But we have to arrange this letter. L-I-G-H-T-E-R. It is the correct answer of lighter. But here letters are here and there. We have to write the correct spelling. L-I-G-H-T-E-R. Lighter. So my dear children, here also we have finished one question and answer. We have to practice all this question. Okay children, you have to practice it and write all this question and answer in your GK copy and take a photo, click and send in my WhatsApp number. In my personal WhatsApp number, not in group. Dear children, today what we learn? Again we learn the name of the kitchen articles. So my dear children, read this chapter and practice all the spelling. What question I have given to you to do in your GK copy, you have to write all the question and the answer and you have to send in my personal WhatsApp number. Okay children, and unit test portion has given to you. You have to study properly. Be ready for the second unit test